This is one of the 11 extruders we have here at Northwire. This extruder represents some of our unique capabilities that we have because it's equipped with a tandem extruder. We have unique mixing capabilities where we have the ability to add flame retardant additives, UV additives, cross-linking agents, as well as any color concentrates. Other extruders that have unique capabilities here at Northwire include our high temp lines as well as our small gauge lines. This cabler represents one of the 9 cablers we have here at Northwire. In the video you can see us cabling a 2-conductor cable including flame retardant polyfiller. Other unique cabling equipment that we have here at Northwire includes a planetary cabler for running large gauge as well as fiber optic components, as well as neutralizers that allow us to remove the back twist for different bundles, coaxes, or breather tubes depending on the construction. This line represents one of our 4 jacketing lines here at Northwire. What I want to show in this video is that Northwire has unique abilities based on custom printing options. In the video you can see us using an inkjet printer. The inkjet is applied right after the crosshead to provide the best adhesion. Northwire also has the ability to print with contact wheels depending on the artwork and color options of the customer. The final printing technology that Northwire uses is an indent wheel to leave marking in the cable jacket. In this portion of the video, you can see Northwire's unique braiding capabilities. Northwire has the ability to apply many different types of braid, including box weave braid, spiral braid, as well as a double spiral braid. Northwire's braid materials include anything from decorative nylon, strength members such as Kevlar, stainless steel, tin-plated copper, silver-plated copper, and nickel-plated copper. This is our retractile area. In the video you can see one of our operators winding one of the cable products. The cable is wound around the mandrel based on the customer's requirements for extension length as well as diameter. The operator is using the lasers to measure the overall length of the helix as well as the tangent length. From this point in the process, the cable is baked and dewound to increase the snap and the retractile action of the cable. This is Northwire's assemblies area. Northwire has a wide range of cable preparation and termination offerings. Those offerings include automated cut and strip equipment, specialized removal of jacket, and termination equipment. Northwire has the ability to terminate using traditional hand crimp tools, automatic presses, and bowl feed. Northwire can also do soldering down to 34 gauge wires. In this shot you can see our injection molding capabilities. We have the ability to process a wide range of materials including PVCs, polyolefins, TPUs, and the new low pressure injection molding capabilities. In this portion of the video you can see Northwire's interferometer. The interferometer is used after cutting and polishing fiber optic. Northwire is a LEMO certified 3K93C termination house.
This is our cold bend testing. Cold bend testing demonstrates a material's resistance to cracking under cold temperatures. Northwire being able to conduct cold bend testing in-house allows for quick turnaround on test results and gives us a level of confidence that we are able to meet all of the agency requirements. Having in-house cold bend testing abilities helps Northwire to select the correct cable type for the specific end use of the product. Having the ability to complete in-house cold bend testing allows Northwire to determine what type of material should be used for an end application. This may also allow for a more cost-effective material to be used. This is our abrasion testing. Abrasion testing tells the customer how abrasion resistant their cable would be. This is beneficial for cables that will be used in a harsh environment. The intended use of the product may require the cable to be resistant to abrasion. Having the ability to test for this allows us to design the product for the customer's end use. Abrasion testing helps us to determine what types of materials are best suited for jacketing where abrasion resistance is a concern. This is our crush test. Crush testing is beneficial to the customer because we are able to test for resistance to electrical failure under extreme force. This proves that the cable is worthy of use in harsh environments. This testing allows for Northwire to design product that can meet the customer's end-use requirements in demanding environments. This testing gives Northwire a competitive advantage because it allows us to choose the correct materials for the desired application. This is our flame test. Flame testing demonstrates a material's resistance to propagating flame. Northwire being able to conduct flame testing in-house allows for quick turnaround on test results and gives us a level of confidence that we are able to meet all of the agency requirements. Having in-house flame testing abilities helps us to select the correct cable type for the specific end use of the product. Having the ability to complete in-house flame testing allows Northwire to choose more cost-effective materials that will meet all agency requirements. Northwire is one of few wire and cable manufacturers that can conduct in-house flame testing.